Future me, don't forget to edit.
What's up guys, Laz here, and in today's video I was thinking about something just today, and I really thought that it was very important for me to make a video on this because this month my business has done roughly $270,000 completely automated. Yes, I said that right. Completely automated. So I was doing some thinking and I thought to myself, what a better way to give value to my followers and all you guys here on YouTube than to share this information with you guys, how it is that this is done completely automated. So without any further ado, let's get started. But before we get started, I want to give a big shout out to our sponsor, the like button. Yes, the like button. That's our sponsor. We don't have any sponsors on this video. All I ask of you is to please smash that like button, make it turn blue. This really helps our videos reach more people, and it really helps out with the YouTube algorithm. So make sure that you guys smash that thing. Okay guys, so as I was saying, my business has done roughly $270,000 fully automated, and I kind of want to share with you guys how it is that we're able to do that fully automated, because for someone, even myself, when I first started, I was like, fully automated, like a business, like there's no way in hell to do that. So I want to share with you guys kind of like the whole process and how it is that we're able to do that. Now think about it. Obviously, if you're just one person, there is no way that you can have your business fully automated. Unfortunately, you need to build a team, having a team is something that is super important. You want to build a circle around you of people that can help you build your business to the next level. Obviously, it's going to take some time. You might have to train some people, but I'm going to talk to you about how we were able to build our team and how our business runs on complete autopilot. Now, what if I told you guys that our fully automated team is just a team of 2 people? Yes, I said that right, 2 people. These 2 people are 2 people who we found from overseas. They're actually in the Philippines, and they're people who we hired as virtual assistants to help us fully automate our entire business. Now, I'm gonna dive a little bit deeper and break down exactly what they do, and then tell you guys how much we pay them and all that stuff, so that you guys can hopefully implement this into your business as well. Okay, so if we're gonna break down an e-commerce business into systems, into different parts, we gotta think about this and what it is that each person does, right? So what are the systems of an e-commerce business? Because that's the business that we're in. Your business might be a slightly different. You might be doing e-commerce as well. So if it is e-commerce, if that's the thing that you're doing, you can literally blueprint, map this out, and use this to like for yourself. Or if you have a different business, you might have to change a few things around, but the idea should be the same. So the way that we can break up our e-commerce business is in a few parts, right? So we have our store, which is our storefront, everything that goes into that, all the pages and whatnot. We have our customer support team, which is people who talk to customers, they answer emails, they respond to customer disputes, all of that stuff. We have order fulfillment, responding to suppliers, interacting with our suppliers. We have product research and adding products to our store. And the last part is advertising, so running the ads and whatnot. Now, just to be 100% clear with you, all of these things are automated except for one of these parts. We actually run our own ads. We like having control of our ads, so we're always, tweaking things on the ads. Things are always changing. The algorithm's always changing. So this is the only part that we focus on, that we actually take care of. Everything else is completely automated. The entire other process is completely automated, and I'm gonna tell you guys exactly what our VAs do and how much we pay them. So guys, our team is composed of 2 VAs, okay? Just 2, and one of them does all of the customer support and all of the order fulfillment slash supplier relationships, okay? They're the ones that manage everything when an order comes in. If a customer has any questions about an order or a product, they're the ones that take care of all that stuff. They respond to the customer, they answer all the emails. If there's questions about an order or anything like that, they're the ones that manage all those things. On top of that, they're building relationships with all of our suppliers. They're communicating with them. If we're gonna scale something, they're the ones that tell our suppliers, look, we need to scale this. We need inventory in the US warehouses. They're the ones that are really communicating all that information with them. And basically, we don't have to deal with suppliers. We don't have to deal with customers. There's no headaches involved with us when it comes to that type of stuff. That one VA handles all of customer support, order fulfillment, and suppliers. Now, the second VA is the one that handles the store and product research. Now, if we ever need to make any changes to the store, or if we're adding products, or if we're editing descriptions or anything like that, changing pictures around, this is our second VA. So them together, them two, which is funny because they're actually a husband and a wife, they handle our complete store. They're the ones that fully automate our entire process. And guys, when we first hired them, we were paying them only $4 an hour, and we found them on this website called Upwork, which we can talk about later. And if you guys really want to learn how to find these VAs, guys, just leave a comment down below and I will make another video because there's a lot to go into in that video. But guys, we hired both of these people off of Upwork. Well, we actually hired one and then the other one came along with them, and these are the people who automate our entire business, our $270,000 a month business, which is insane. And guys, like I was telling you, we started paying them as little as $4 an hour. We actually started paying RVAs $4 an hour when they first started. Now we're paying them a little bit more. It's really crazy what we pay them. And then some people are like, hold up. You pay your VAs $4 an hour? That is super inhumane. You should be ashamed of yourself. Why are you doing that? That's terrible. $4 an hour? That's terrible. Guys, that's not really the case. Since they're in the Philippines, the amount of money that they're making is more than what a doctor would make. So right now we pay them like around $7 an hour. And guys, it's crazy because we've been able to help them change their lives. Like before they didn't have an income really. They were like just jumping from job to job. And now it's crazy because we've really helped them, build a life. And, they're super grateful for everything. And honestly, they're super hardworking and they love what they do. So we've been blessed. We've been able to help them as well, and it's just super crazy to see what the possibilities are with all the online businesses, the internet really connecting people and giving people a lot of opportunities. So guys, now I kind of want to switch gears a little bit and talk about the benefits. Now obviously I've already mentioned kind of what our people do, and I mean hopefully there's nothing in it for me if I convinced you or not, but hopefully I changed your perspective on things, and hopefully now you're thinking of how can I get VAs to help me run my business. And I'm just going to talk about a little bit of the benefits of having VAs and kind of why I believe that it's essential for you to have VAs on your team, or at least stop doing some of the things yourself and kind of having that shift over to somebody helping you out. So benefit number one is better use of employees. Now you may be saying,
Laz, I don't have any employees, it's just me.
Well, think about it this way. You are one employee, okay? You're working for your business. And if you're only one person and you're doing mundane, repetitive tasks, you're going to hate your life, right? You're going to hate answering emails with pissed off customers. You're going to hate having to do product research, hours and hours testing products that aren't good, as opposed to hiring an expert to do it for you. So better use of your employees, right? Give your VAs repetitive, mundane tasks. Anything that's repetitive that somebody like a robot could do, give that to a VA, right? Keep your full-time in-house employees happy. Keep them more focused on what it matters most, the things that are most important, the bigger projects, and give everything else to VAs. So benefit number two is reduce cost. And the way that works is you're going to be saving salary costs, and you're also going to be saving training costs, because you can give small jobs on an hourly rate to your VAs, as well as you can hire VAs who are already experts in a field to do the job that needs to be done. You don't have to spend time training them, and you're going to save money on hourly jobs, because if it's just something more specific, you can just give that to a VA. And benefits number three is, again, guys, no training involved. So at the end of the day, time is money. So the more time you're spending training a VA, the more money you are losing. So keep that in mind, guys. And also this is going to save you a lot of time because it's a fast hiring process. You don't have to bring people in. You don't have to sit down and ask them a bunch of questions. You don't need it's all online. You can kind of put a job listing up. There's a bunch of people from all over the world that want to do that job, and you just talk to them, chat with them really quick, see if they kind of meet your needs, and boom, they're hired. Okay, guys, so to kind of wrap this up, I'm going to talk about some of the things that VAs can do for your business, and maybe some of these apply to e-commerce, some of them don't. So whatever field you're in, this can really help you out. I'm just going to start listing things. I have a huge list of things that the VAs can do for you. So
administrative work. They can schedule meetings. They can answer phone calls. They can do data entry. They can organize your to-do list. They can book travel. They can do some of your personal tasks. They can do content creation, blog posts, creative posts,
copywriting. They can manage finances, do bookkeeping for you, track budgets and expenses. They can do scheduling posts with social media management, engaging with followers, analyzing stats to see what converts best. They can do research for you, look at competitor products, services. They can analyze consumer trends. They can screen and identify affiliate deals. They can do customer service for you. I already talked about that a little bit. They can do email management, web development. They can do SEO for you.
They literally can do so many things for you. So it's literally endless how many things VAs can do for you and how much they can help. And as you can see, it's amazing. It's really allowed us to focus on the bigger picture, on the business, on growing the business as a whole, not having to focus on like, oh, customer emails and like responding to customers who are pissed off about an order or something like that, or answering disputes, or dealing with headaches of tracking numbers and stuff like that. It really has allowed us to focus on just growing the business, on putting our time into the things that bring back the most return, kind of just focusing on the bigger picture. So if you're really debating whether or not to get a VA or a virtual assistant or somebody to help you out, guys, this is a no-brainer, okay? It's a no-brainer. You should do it. You should have done it yesterday, okay? So guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to comment and subscribe. And guys, if you enjoyed this video and you want to learn how to hire and manage these VAs, this is something that I am potentially looking at doing. So maybe doing like a part 2 to this video, but I want to know if you guys would be interested in this, because I don't want to just waste my time, make a whole video about it if you guys wouldn't be interested in this. If you guys are interested, I want you to go down below this video and I want you to comment, okay? Comment saying, yes, I want to learn about how to hire and manage VAs, and I'll do an in-depth breakdown of how to do this, okay guys? If you guys are interested, make sure you guys comment that, make sure you like and subscribe, as well as you hit the notification bell so you guys can be alerted when new videos drop. And guys, thank you so much for watching. That's it for this video today. Thank you. Love you guys. Take care. Success. Blessings. Wishing you nothing but the best.